can you help us raise £15,000 to shine a light on the lady with the lamp during her bicentenary year? Most people know Florence Nightingale, who shot to fame during the Crimean War and became a female icon in her own lifetime by improving how ordinary frontline soldiers were cared for. So yes, Florence was indeed a nurse, but goodness knows she was so much more than that. 2020 is her bicentenary, and you can join the celebrations by donating and helping us create an exhibition which shines a light on her life. The exhibition will bring Nightingale to life in 200 objects, people and places who made her what she was. Discover the people, experiences and skills that enabled Florence to become a healthcare pioneer in a male-dominated world. And see how her legacy lives on, inspiring today's leaders and campaigners to improve society for all. Nightingale was born into a well-to-do middle-class Victorian family, but instead of revelling in luxury, she used her position to start chiselling away at the glass ceiling. And she still inspires people like me to become nurses today. She was a public health pioneer, helping to improve conditions for ordinary folk. She was the first female member of the Royal Statistical Society, using statistics and visual data to campaign for health reforms. These included improving conditions in the workhouses of Victorian Britain. She even designed hospital wards to improve the recovery of patients and their experience. Even when she became partially disabled, Florence continued to be a trailblazer. She wrote her best-selling Notes on Nursing, which was a blockbuster at the time, from her bedside. This helped people care for their families in their own homes. Nightingale was a leader whose legacy lives on and continues to have an impact on public health today. Her ideas on cleanliness, sanitation, diet and fresh air are as relevant now as they were revolutionary in her own day. She was the founder of modern nursing, patron of the first school dedicated to the training of secular nurses. Those nurses spread their learning, ideas and skills throughout the world. So if you are a nurse or you've been helped by one, you have Nightingale to thank. She inspired the founding of the Red Cross, and her ideas on universal healthcare were inclusive and predated the National Health Service by more than 50 years. Oh, and she loved cats. If, like me, you're eager to find out more about Florence, now's your chance. You can help raise £15,000 to shine a light on this amazing woman's achievements and bring her legacy to life 200 years after her birth. You'll be able to choose from a range of exclusive rewards as a token of our gratitude. Thank you.